The first item that I want to present to you, and by the way, take notes, chain printed cardigans. Very nice for fall, and actually Hermes were the ones who made them really popular, especially with the affluent community. But this is a piece that is very kind of traditional, very classic, and very timeless. And it's also perfect for fall. And actually, today's video sponsor, lilysilk, has made this incredible cardigan. Look how pretty it is. I am in love with this. It has beautiful silk, kind of chiffon-like print here that really elevates this cardigan so much. The print itself is just fabulous. I love the whole equestrian style when it comes to these prints, which is why the chain print is such a great hack if you want to look expensive in fall. I wear lilysilk all the time. I love their clothing. And you know what I also really like about them? They are perfect for ladies of all budgets because they keep their prices very reasonable. You can get some really expensive and high-end looking items at a decent price point. And actually, right now, I do suggest you go and visit their website, lilysilk.com, because right now they have their annual anniversary sale. So you can grab some amazing bargains if you also add my discount code to your order. I'm gonna put on the screen all the discount codes you can use for up to 15% off on all items. Ladies, this is an amazing opportunity to score some amazing bargains, especially with my discount code. Go and check out their website. Belted blazers, one of my favorite pieces for fall because they are feminine and because they put accents on the waist regardless of your body shape. You can cinch that waist in even if you feel like you don't really have a waist. What I also like about the blazer is that you can layer underneath it. You can also wear a one size bigger blazer that will give you that room and that will also feel really comfortable wearing. I think adding that belt and really cinching in, even like the most oversized blazer you can find, is gonna work. And the reason why I say that is because it adds femininity. Because a blazer is naturally very masculine. And you know me, I prefer femininity on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. Wouldn't it be comfortable to have like a set formula of things that you can just wear every single time and it always works? And I can actually share that one of those items for myself is the long sleeve blouse. I love wearing this all year round. Of course, when we are in really deep winter, it might be a little bit cold. However, if we layer correctly underneath, we can still make it work. For fall, these are perfect. And they're so easy to style because you can wear them with skirts, with pants, and simply just have a lot of variations. You can wear this with beautiful white trousers and you're gonna look so chic yet very interesting. And you can find these blouses at any price point, ladies, so make sure you put this on your wish list. A fall fashion video could never be a fall fashion video if we don't speak about the trench coat. Ladies, the trench coat is a must in every transitional fall wardrobe. You must invest in a classic trench coat, and you can choose color yourself. You can go for something more classic like camel or navy or black, or you can spice it up a bit and go for something really light. That always looks really expensive. Truly, there are so many variations, but make sure you put that on your radar because you are going to be elevated with a trench this fall. Guess what one of my most favorite uniforms are for fall and winter? Well, you're seeing me wearing it right now. Long sleeve sweater dresses. Oh, I love them. They're my favorite because they're elegant, they're easy to style, they're feminine, and that they just do the job. And all you gotta do is to get tons of variations in whatever styles, cuts, colors, prints you want. And this way, you're always gonna have something to wear. A cousin to the shirt dress would be the blazer and skirt combo. I know that Dior popularized it back in the days. In modern times, we have now self-portrait really doing this look really strong. And actually, who is also a major fan of this look is Kate Middleton. She has worn the blazer and skirt combo at many occasions. It's a beautiful uniform, and it works exceptionally well for fall. Ladies, you don't really have to think a lot when you put something like this together. It's just like wearing a dress, but it's just a variation to it, and it has long sleeves and it's gonna keep you warm. You don't have to necessarily choose for an A-line skirt, but you can also wear it with a pencil skirt, or if you are a younger girl, you can wear it with a mini skirt, but wear tights though, because it might get cold otherwise. I do know what the concern is in fall. What am I gonna do with my feet? And when we are wearing a lot of dresses and skirts in winter, we of course have to think about the right footwear. We have to definitely speak about boots. You really need to invest in boots in all kinds of shapes, sizes, and forms. Don't feel overwhelmed, and I don't want this to sound wasteful, that's not the point. The point is that you really find those boots that you need for majority of your outfits. And if you're gonna wear the dresses and the skirts, you really should think about having a boot that is at least knee high, but we want to really hide that boot under your skirt line. It should not be shown, which is why I'm not a big fan of the ankle boot, because it will just cut off your leg. I would be very careful with boots with no heel. You should definitely have a little bit of heel, even if it's just a small kitten heel or a small block heel, but some heel is a must to really give that slight elevation to your look so that it matches well with the skirt line. And then voila, ladies, you just wear them under all your skirts and dresses and you name it, and it's gonna look really, really nice. As the temperature gets colder, what do we need in our wardrobe? Well, definitely a scarf. But I don't want you to think that I'm now gonna promote the typical, elegant scarf that we tie neatly around our neck. No, I think we can definitely do something a bit more exciting than that. I am personally really a big fan of the casual, long scarf that is just thrown around your neck. But I like the fact that it kind of just draws the attention vertically and just adds a bit of layering effect to your entire look. I'm not against if you choose to tie your scarf in some fancy way, but I just feel like sometimes it can look a little bit too stuffy, and that sometimes the more casual, relaxed look can look just as elegant and chic, but maybe less as if you're trying too hard. You see what I mean? But I don't want you to think now that I'm against trying hard. Of course, I love putting in effort, which is actually what my next point is about, because I think that fall and winter really gives us the perfect opportunity to go all in with our tailored garments. Those blazers, those tailored trousers, those tailored skirts, the kind of office and business wear that really gets hot wearing in summertime. Like, do you know what makes somebody look really expensive? When they look smart and professional. And business attire is perfect for that. Even if you don't work in an office, honestly, you can still wear them. Just dress like a CEO, even if you're not a CEO. I think anybody can wear them, and I think you should wear them with pride. Surely, if you feel uncomfortable or you feel like, okay, it just really looks odd on me, you don't have to wear it head to toe. You can just choose certain elements of it. As an example, instead of always opting for those jeans, you can have the tailored trouser as your everyday trouser. Or instead of wearing the sweater or hoodie, you can choose to wear a nice blazer. Business attire come at any price points. You can go to some really affordable brands and find business attire for a really reasonable price, yet you're gonna look so much elevated, although it's just a simple trouser and blazer or shirt. You know what I like about fall? One word, gilets. Gilets are so nice because they always look very high fashion. And the reason why they look that is because most people, like most regular people, do not bother purchasing them or styling them. Because A, it's a bit confusing and overwhelming. If you're not advanced in styling, you might be very confused how to pull this look together. Plus, some people think that they're not practical enough because they're kind of not a jacket, so they kind of won't keep you warm enough. However, there are tricks, of course, of how to wear them because you can layer, you can wear all kinds of things underneath. Make use of gilets now during these transitional times. Now is such a good time to wear them, so invest in them. And if you want to know how to style them, you simply just follow the blazer advice that we spoke about earlier. Add that belt it up, and then you're good to go. Have you ever looked at your wardrobe and had that feeling that you have absolutely nothing to wear? When you start to pull clothes out, trying on different outfits, but nothing ends up looking good. So you end up stretching for the old clothes that you always wear, and instead you leave your house feeling and looking dull. Ladies, I used to have this feeling all the time until I found this amazing solution that changed my wardrobe forever. And I want to share this solution with you. And I'm doing it in a private class that I'm hosting free of charge. So if you want to stop having this headache every time you get dressed, then come and join this class because I will be teaching you 5 amazing tools that you must use in your styling and shopping process. And ladies, it's a complete game changer. Don't miss this class. Just go to nothingtowear.me and sign up for this masterclass. But ladies, hurry up because this class is going away and it's only here for a limited amount of time. Now, in my next video, I'm gonna give you more tips on how to dress during the season. So make sure you hop on over to that video, ladies, because I will see you there.